Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoy this blocking video, which is basically about how to do a blocking the Biggin Hill way. There are no cameras, no boxes, no Ulez signs, and there won't be. The following is a typical morning in Biggin Hill, protesting and mixing with pleasant diggers, electricians and security staff. The rest of the country is starting to protest against tyrants such as Sadiq Khan. So my message is, learn the Biggin Hill way.
Right, well, here we are in Biggin Hill. Stop the cameras going in. They won't be going in. Hello boys and girls.
Oh, hi.
Yeah, darling. I have. You see that on the front, look. Good them, aren't they?
Yeah. Can I try that?
Let's go, there you go.
Come here, hold on a sec. Oh, it's a hat.
In the rubbish now.
Can I borrow your band? You got a spare band? Because I want to pretend to be security. Seriously, I'm joking. Come on. Take a picture.
You're already on it.
I look like one.
There's a bit of a problem here, but turn around.
I can't see.
Turn around. We've got a bit of a problem. Look. Oh yeah, just wait.
Security.
If you need it, I've got a bag of you-know-what in the car.
Right, this is good to go.
Are they? That's all right.
100%.
Yeah,
mate, good night.
Let's have a look.
Good.
Oh, security. Come on, come on. Security. I do. I just need a band.
You look like a couple. That's funny, isn't it?
I swear to God, I can't see. Does it look good?
This road's so busy there. They get so much traffic
Hello.
down here. What is the point?
Yeah, let's take her in.
Is that even working?
It's been a pain in the arse.
It's there, bro. All right.
Alright, mate. What's happening? Wait, oh, was that yours?
Yeah.
That's good, I like that one.
Yeah.
Pardon?
I've got my squid hat in the car. You ever seen me squid hat?
No.
No, it's brilliant. I'm glad you. Oh, yeah.
Let's
It's
have a
just,
look.
yeah, no, it's lovely.
I don't even know what I look like in that. I really don't want to know what I look like in that.
You'll see it later.
Has it messed up my eyebrow?
Oh, I like that.
Are my eyebrows finished tacked?
Just.
Yeah? No, they're penciled in. They take bloody ages. And do you know what? I'm getting to that age now when my eyes aren't too great in the morning.
So when we left the club the other Saturday, we were right. Now it's not here. We're all singing. I was outside the shop the other day. He goes, "Is that you lot going down here?" Is it? I put the signs out. I was running back around the
Oh, is it? They're still there? Oh, good, because I need them.
They're all there.
I've got somebody
Anything over that and...
because you know we're going to have this demo up at the top.
What, you give me a
Yeah,
seat
we're
right
going to do it on the
now?
17th.
Yeah.
Is it? I think.
What time?
We're going to blow up. I've got somebody who's going to fucking. They've been using them for shotgun practice anyway. Yeah, but they're going to blast the shit out of them. And we'll lay them for the lamppost up there.
They're all still there. I was running around.
See that post from Sutton? Sutton.
What?
Sutton, what they're doing next month.
Oh, the 113,
I didn't, right?
113 lights cameras.
Yeah.
We're out.
Good idea,
What
isn't
they
it?
did last night, did you say?
No. They put a post on this morning on our
There's 113
on our
Oh
group.
yes, yeah, I saw that. Yeah. They're going
to block all 113.
Yeah.
I'll put it all in this.
I think they're doing them twos, aren't they?
Oh, those green ones.
Ones or twos, yeah.
They look really good, didn't they?
Yeah, to do 113, really, you need 226 people.
Ideally. Not ideally, you could do it with one on each, couldn't you?
Very
Just,
rare you get that many people turning into it.
yeah.
Yeah, we had a lot of old people. What the fuck are this lot doing over there? Yeah, loitering around. How many bands? 1, 2, 3.
5, isn't it? Yeah, that's it.
7 bands.
Wow. Put one hole in.
7 bands.
That's it.
7 bands.
Put it out the group chat. Send it to the boss.
Don't have to be so noisy. Don't have to be so noisy. What about the poor residents? We're all having quite a civilised conversation here.
Cool, it's a bit different from the crowd we had at Bexley the other day. Oh, they all want to fight.
Did I?
Yeah, all 5 of them. Yeah.
Don't go nutty by that, really, do you? Just upset them all.
Were you there? Yeah, you were there. You were okay, weren't you? You knew, yeah, you kept quiet. You're a clever one. Yeah, one of your mates was all right as well, was he? No, he's not, is he?
That's probably his mate next to him.
No, that wasn't, no. He might have been there. That was the two. It was the 2 in the hole and the 2 security guards. They want to fight. Where was the hole
But it could have
going?
been worse. It was last week.
Where was the hole
last
going?
week. Under, just here.
Ah.
You boys doing the other one up here today?
Honestly, I even showed this chap here. We literally, on our paperwork, we've got an address. That is all the information we're given.
I know there was 2 books in today. This one.
But I said, you know more than what we do. Well, here, you see the paperwork, it's the address.
Yeah.
That's all we
That's
have.
all you get, yeah.
I think all the 3 vans I followed into Biggin Hill this morning all come here.
That's them ones.
Yeah.
They just turned up after.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's TM.
I'm quite surprised they were going to put up. What?
Just turned up.
No need for
Taking all
it.
the cones away.
Yeah.
Don't know who he is.
But I was even nice. I've lent you
Yeah.
one of our phones.
Yeah.
Got the signage so it weren't in a dirty drive
Throwing them.
on the back of the truck. Throwing the cones on the back of the flatbed.
That's your job, I drove it.
Yeah, thanks for your professionalism the other day. I know it wasn't all one-sided, obviously, but at least you guys are good lads. Cheers.
Yeah, this is when we stopped before.
Yeah.
They managed to get the box in, but they'd only just literally just got it in. So we stopped it and they took the box away with them and had to fill the hole straight away.
Work out, isn't it?
They normally are.
Yeah. They weren't the other day, his mates, I'll tell you.
Yeah, so it depends how you talk to them as well, doesn't it really? You know,
Yeah.
if you're going all guns blazing, they're going to cop the hump.
Yeah. Yeah, it was all right until someone called them rats.
Yeah, no, that's it. I
then
saw
they
the
were-
video. You know,
Oh, you saw it, yeah?
Yeah. Every time we turned up here, we've just said to them, look, come on, we're just here peacefully, stop ya.
Yeah.
It's like that time we had that in the drain hole. He picked the cone up, yeah, if you put it in a cone, he said it's better than being in the cone. And he gave us the cone and put it in, you know, he just...
Yeah. But most of them don't want the crap, do they? You know.
Still surprised, right? And these people still don't know what it's all about.
No, that's
They
right.
look like you like. They look at you though.
Yeah, what are you doing ever, yeah.
When was on Stock Hill that time that couple came up? ran across the road. What's this all about? What's Ulez? We don't know.
It's like that. Yeah. It's like that other chat group set up now. You know what I mean? There's over 100 people in it.
Yeah.
Probably 6 or 7 people again. You know what I mean?
Well, yeah. I suppose it's working. Isn't it?
Yeah, I know you understand that for something, but I'm sure there's still others about.
Yeah, no.
But it's always the same though, isn't it? It's always the same people every time, and you just think,
Yeah, we went all around Dark Bridge.
you know, how many people live in Biggin Hill, and all we see is the same faces, you know?
I mean, I was just there.
Yeah.
Obviously, I'm working a lot.
Yeah, no, I'm saying people that work.
I mean, today's my day off. I understand it.
You know, people can't get to everyone, so I understand that. That's it, yeah, that's it, leave down the day, yeah. You say no one, you know, had the permit for the day and they didn't show. That's why I was late today, because I wasn't expecting to get it till 9:15, so no, the permit went till 9:30.
Well, he said that they get it from about 7 o'clock. He said they're in the yard at 6.
I'm sure they can't start till the permit starts, no? Permit's 9:30 till 3:30.
I suppose they have to go by that then, don't they? Well, he couldn't do anything for 8. I think anyway.
No, unless you see it's digging.
Number 1 done.
Yeah.
Hey, that's the first one off the list, isn't it? Hey? No, there will be very soon. They're not going to be doing nothing.
Would you reckon they come back every morning?
Hey?
Will they come back every morning?
I don't know how
This
long
one's only
this
permit today,
Yeah.
9:30
Oh, is
till
it?
3:30.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is a Monday.
They got
That's all week, I think, isn't
Hey?
it?
That's
Is that
till
all week, St Mary's?
Wednesday, that one,
St
isn't it?
Mary's is the one that goes on for like 4 days, yeah.
Yeah, what's the idea of that?
I don't know why that's 4 days actually.
No.
I don't know why that.
All the others are all just their 1 day ones, aren't they? But that one's got 3 or 4
Maybe
days.
that's the hope to get the camera up and running and done.
Everything in, yeah, maybe.
a whole lot.
I mean, if we stop them like this. I mean, Claire was saying to him yesterday, like, oh look, yeah, we haven't got no, you know, we don't have many cameras. But the only reason they ain't got cameras around here
Don't let them.
is because we don't fucking let them even get that far.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Otherwise, we'd have like, there'd be 15, 20 cameras up in Biggin Hill. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's only because of every cunt's doing such a good job, you know, and stopping them.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Well, there ain't even a fucking sign, is there?
No signs. They're too fucking scared. Come put signs, cameras, fucking anything.
I reckon this, out of the whole of the Ulez thing, this is probably the least protected.
Yeah.
Well, most protected, the least camera.
Yeah. Because they can't even get that far. I don't even know what their next move would be to put them up. What could they do? Just send so many fucking
Drones. We're getting catapulted.
But the only way they can do it now really is police protection,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm not sure even that.
I ain't going to waste their time standing around here. And the thing is, look at all, if he starts, people start putting it down, he's wasting police time and putting this fucking shit.
Yeah,
Do you know what I mean?
that's right.
He can't do that.
That's what I mean.
'Cause he'll
But,
get a massive
but
backlash
how
from it.
else are you going to put it up without the whole building?
I'm not sure. I'm not even sure even that works. Because as I say, you only need a little handful of dog shit. Chuck it down the old window. Was looking. They got to go home.
Yeah.
Simple.
But I mean, don't get away from it. Even if they did all go up tonight, fucking hell, they'll all be down the following day, won't they?
Yeah.
They're not going to last.
Even if they do fucking get in here, come
Yeah. But this is the best because they've got no chance of replacing them, or we've got no cleaning or nothing.
straight away.
Yeah. Just stop them.
Stop in the first place.
All good.
Got him smiling.
Monday morning, isn't it?
He's the one that's trouble. Yeah,
He was running.
you could
That
be
one
a
we could stop
security
this one when
guard.
they filled it again. He was
Could
here
have,
then.
because
Eh?
That one we stopped him when they filled it.
Yeah.
The box wedding, he was here then.
You've got that lingo about you.
He was part of the lorry load that he was running
Look,
the cop down when
look at the
the
way
box
he's
went
carrying
down.
himself.
Oh,
He's got that
He was
kind
on the
of
side moment.
like, he could be antagonistic.
How many
Oh,
Yeah, he's got that.
When the box went down, he was the one that
He
started.
didn't know that.
No.
No,
right in front of
I'll chill out.
Yeah, chill
He was the one that's going,
out,
oh, well,
but
fucking getting in there to figure that out again.
You could be proper
I can
Yeah,
be.
you could be proper cocky.
What the two security guards like? They all right?
That's right. See himself and himself.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You couldn't be a security guard because I reckon you get the better of you. And you
Yeah, no,
feel
they
like
did right.
I made it.
Do you want to take a few then? Investigate.
I've got no lighter.
Well, I've only got one like
Well, go
that.
get
Yeah.
one.
Here you
Oh no, I
go.
have got.
Oh, you ain't got roll-ups in there.
You're going to
Yeah.
need to leave me more than that.
Yeah.
No, it's that gas.
Oh, it's your car keys.
I don't
Oh
even
my
smoke, I'm just-
God!
Why did you give me the car
I
keys?
fell for that.
Not even smoke,
Can I have another one? Because I'm going to.
Hey?
I'm not being for another hour.
No, half hour and then hopefully fuck
Yeah.
off. Go on, go bed.
I mean,
Set it for the day.
What else am I to do?
I wouldn't have my
I've got
life.
hospital appointments, that's about it.
You lot got this covered, didn't you? That's true, then,
I don't fancy rubbing
See
two
you, no,
sticks
no, see you
together.
in a little while.
Just a Mary's
Yeah.
yeah.
What time is that one?
I've got it. I have to use it.
That's the one half 9 till Wednesday.
Oh, it is half past 9 today.
Yeah.
So it could turn up.
Do you want to join the party?
Surely it'd be one of these 5 though, wouldn't it?
They do, actually.
Gonna go
They're
up there?
all right.
Different
They
crews,
know.
isn't it?
You know, come on, come and join in. It's like a little social gathering. We have a lot of
Right.
This is the only time we all get together.
See you in a bit.
The ladders.
Ta-da.
Shop? Someone is still left out. What?
We don't like it either.
Don't like what?
I just want to do the street lights, to be honest. That's what I joined the company for. Yeah.
Makes the time go by
I'm
quicker.
leaving soon. I'm going to be plumbing in with my brother, so. It's too early for that.
You know what? I can't do it, but I'll just do it this one time. Hug if you hate them. That's the only time anyone's getting that. As I said, I don't do it.
The boots keep your feet warm.
Yeah, right.
Alright, yeah, I just bought new ones.
Yeah, I see them when I was around Mum's. That's them. She said you got them for when you were
Alright,
old,
aren't they?
yeah.
Yeah. 2 pair of socks on.
I'm doing all the street
Oh,
lights.
I can't, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. I thought a couple of Bexley boys might have been up here, but they turned up.
I say it's hard because you come up here and they might say they turn up, they put the thing in, and that one at Stock Hill the other day, they had the 9 till 5 permit.
Yeah.
And people stood there all day and they didn't even show. So
No.
you know, for people to come over, it's hard, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
You come over all day and nothing happens.
I had a fun day yesterday.
So I go and ask him what he's doing.
Yeah, I've seen a few pictures. Isn't it?
Yeah. Who's that?
Posh should stay here now.
Huh?
Posh should stay here.
Bailiff or something. He was had some paperwork looking for cars. He was looking at the motors.
No, he'll probably see that sign he's got in his hand and he's like, yeah, I'll leave these alone. You have to pay Ulez on that?
Taking photos of people's parts. Where there's a cone.
What? Where there's a car?
Yeah, taking photos of everyone's parts where there's cones. There's cones all the way along that road.
Oh, right. Well, because of this?
Yeah.
Okay. He ain't going to nick this car, is he?
And mine, that's mine there, look.
Yeah.
What's he doing?
He's surveying the plate. There's a tree gone there and there's a drain that's got a fire.
Oh, nothing to do with the cones and that along there, no.
Nothing. He's just literally doing, like, there's a couple of dangerous bits of paving. He's got to take pictures and.
Very well, so gave him that and I tried to assure us the money.
That's why they are going to get motors off the road.
Oh, I might as well stick some on the site.
They want people only using public transport.
Couple of photos. Biggin Hill Blocking.
Well, then Dave, we stopped it, and there's nothing here in Biggin Hill, so it works.
Yeah.
What we do, basically.
If they stay here for an hour, that's a bit of content. It's alright. And this is quite good as well. You get a little bit of, a little bit of chat. Something I quite like that.
It is to do with probably the conditioning of the mind, and it doesn't come to the problem you have is trying to make people aware.
Never quite.
They think what you think you're more
Not with her,
intelligent
no.
than I. You think you know something that we don't, and it isn't about even intelligence. It's not even about that. Though. You know you could be the most academic person, and yet some can't see it. I don't know what it is in that part of the brain that some people can just see through.
We're all wired differently. We're all wired differently.
Yeah.
Magazine program on the way there. About research. The chap was using the example of studying the sex habits of race of Hyde Park. Have you said that
Little pint, I know it's early, but I'll probably drink one at this time.
Prove that carbohydrates are probably not got the money to do it. He said it was
because obviously I'm on antibiotics, I had a drink yesterday, I had one pint, and I was sitting there, I stood up and I was like, I'm not really fried, mate. I was like, I've got to eat something, that's why I've got food, but...
Well, when you start digging, people keep saying, oh, you know, the data, when you start digging, you can find the paper, almost the paper trail of the money that's been given to the charities, like the Imperial, and then onto the Imperial College to basically base the data.
Mr. Sawyer.
Need a haircut, please.
Are you local here? Or
There's Days Lane, that's not out here, is it? Days Lane.
Days Lane?
Yeah.
No Days Lane anymore.
No, okay.
Where's that?
Must be a van or so, or something turned up in Bexley.
How long we left it, boys? Can we fuck off?
What is going on?
I don't get a chance.
Hi guys, and thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe, like and share if you want to. Anyway, I'll see you in part 2. Ciao.